Bonny Best Tomato. So this is one I got a free pack of seeds from with an order from the seed company. Otherwise, I don't know that I ever would have chosen to grow it, but because I got the seeds, I decided, why not? Let's try it. So far, I haven't seen too much fruit on the plant, but the tomatoes that have formed on the plant seem very sturdy and they seem a decent size, but they look true to what the picture of the seed packet showed. And this is an indeterminate variety, so hopefully now that we are past some heat waves, maybe some more of these will show up. But I'll pick one and give it a taste test. I picked two of them. I picked this one because it looked nice and ripe, but then I also picked this one, even though it wasn't fully ripe, but it looked so nice and large that I didn't want anything to happen to it, and since it has blushed, it will continue to ripen inside. All right, let's cut this one open and give it a taste test and see if it really is the best. Okay, so it's sliced up really nice and it looks just like your standard issue classic red tomato, and I did give it a taste test and it does have a good mild flavor with a true tomato taste, but it doesn't really stand out to me. If you are looking for a classic tomato, I do think you could categorize it as such, but so far for me, it took a little longer than other varieties to produce and I haven't seen too many on the plant. So for those reasons, because it's not a fast producer and because the taste isn't anything super unique, I don't think I'll grow it again. But as always, your mileage may vary. This variety might perform better in other climates or growing zones, but I personally will be saving my garden real estate for other varieties next year.